Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about quick and easy zucchini dishes subtly. If you are seeking healthy and delicious zucchini recipes for you and your friends, this is the place to go. Let me know in the comments below if there were particularly any zucchini recipes you would like me to cover on this channel. I will show you how to essentially prepare a garlic butter sautéed zucchini in this video, with the easiest and quickest possible tips that I share in this video. So let's get right into it. Summer squash could be better referred to as sensitive squash. It has juicy meat and soft skin. Summer squash is harvested in large quantities from early to late summer. Summer squash tastes best when eaten raw, cooked, or sautéed. It will only keep in the fridge for a day or two. Winter squash is harvested from late summer to fall, and occasionally into early winter. The winter squash's thick skin and strong meat make it perfect for curing and preserving over the winter, hence the name winter squash. Winter squash isn't particularly appetizing raw, but it's ideal for baking and pies. Fresh zucchini may be preserved in the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 weeks, if kept dry and cold. You may also freeze zucchini by slicing it, steaming, or boiling it for approximately 3 minutes, and then storing it in an airtight container. Frozen zucchini may be stored for up to a year. Take it easy. Small nicks and scrapes in the skin might hasten the deterioration of your zucchini. Benefits of including zucchini in your daily diet. There are thousands of reasons that I can share with you why you should start incorporating zucchini in your daily meals, but I will only share with you my favorite two. Zucchini reduces toxic substances from the body. Toxic compounds build up in your body when you don't drink enough water, eat too many processed meals, and regularly choose sugary foods. Furthermore, when you consume zucchini cuisine and salad, your body will begin a purifying process. From head to toe, zucchinis are a portion of food that protects and revitalizes you. Zucchini reduces blood sugar levels. Diabetes and high blood sugar levels are diseases that are exacerbated by a diet heavy in unhealthy carbs and low in fiber. By including zucchini in your diet, you improve your fiber intake. You may also cut back on carbs since you will feel fuller for longer. These dietary adjustments can assist in lowering blood sugar levels and increasing insulin sensitivity. This might imply that your body is no longer requiring large levels of insulin to metabolize sugar. This might increase your chances of having diabetes. If you have any recipes you want me to cover on this channel, let me know in the comments below. In this video, I will show you a quick and delicious way to make garlic butter sautéed zucchini. Let's get started. Garlic herb sautéed zucchini and squash is the healthiest and freshest side dish ever made with zucchini and squash sautéed in garlic herb butter. It's not only beautiful and tempting to look at now, but it also tastes good and fresh. That's one of the reasons I adore spring. It's the season of farm-to-table fruit, spring break when the sun comes out to play, and when you can splurge on a whole new outfit simply because it's spring. These homemade garlic butter sautéed zucchini are so tasty. You would never guess they're healthy. If you want to cheat, add cheese sprinkles. You won't be sorry. Here's how to cook zucchini. There are several methods to prepare zucchini, but pan frying or sautéing it in a skillet on the stove is the fastest. When zucchini is cooked in this manner, it browns on the exterior and turns soft on the inside. We frequently pan-fried zucchini and we enjoy it when it's cooked with a little butter. The butter imparts a nutty taste and aids in browning of the zucchini. We like to add a tablespoon of minced garlic to the pan, since butter and garlic are inextricably linked, right? The key to sautéing zucchini is to avoid overcooking it. Zucchini becomes mushy when overcooked. You might be wondering how to serve and store sautéed zucchini. This side dish tastes best when it's warm, so cook it right before serving. Also, because cooked zucchini is a very soft vegetable, it cools quickly. For a few days, put it in a covered jar in the refrigerator. However, reheating it without it turning mushy might be tricky. If you need to reheat it, the easiest method to do this is in a pan over low heat. I wouldn't advocate microwaving it since it will turn mushy. Here are my 4 best tips to make sure that you get the best out of your meal. Make use of a large skillet. The zucchini has a better chance of spreading out and browning when cooked in a big pan. This is true for most veggies cooked on the stovetop. When we prepare mushrooms, we employ the same technique by spreading the vegetables out in a simple layer. They brown instead of steam. The zucchini should not be peeled. Peeled zucchini becomes mushy and loses its crispiness. Do not salt the zucchini ahead of time or at the start of the cooking process. The water in the zucchini is drawn out by the salt. When it's cooked, it'll be less crispy. We use salt because it enhances the flavor of foods, although we like to add it at the end. Cook the zucchini until it's crisp tender, which means it will appear wilted but will still have a crunch. How and for how long should the sauteed zucchini leftovers be kept? In an airtight container in the refrigerator, the garlic butter zucchini will keep for 2 days. To loosen the sauce, gently reheat it in the microwave with a splash of water. Alternatively, reheat the zucchini in a non-stick pan over medium heat, spreading them in a single layer and crisping them up on both sides for a couple of minutes. This is how long everything will take. Prep time, 5 minutes. Cooking time, 5 minutes. Total time, 10 minutes. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons melted butter or olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 zucchini sliced and quartered, about 226 grams, 1 yellow squash sliced and quartered, about 226 grams, 4 ounces, about 115 grams cherry tomatoes, half, 1 pinch salt, ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon chopped Italian flat leaf parsley leaves, 1 squirt lemon juice. Directions: Step 1. Preheat a skillet over low to medium heat. Step 2. Sauté the garlic in the heated butter until it's slightly browned. Step 3. Season the zucchinis, squash, and cherry tomatoes with salt and black pepper. Step 4. Toss lightly and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 5. Add the parsley and lemon juice to taste. You don't want to overcook the squash since you want it to keep its crunch. Step 6. Stir everything up thoroughly, then dish out and serve right away. There you have it! Easy peasy garlic butter sautéed zucchini. Nothing helps me out more than you watching the entire video, so thank you for being here. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this recipe and if you want me to cover other zucchini recipes. I'll see you in the next video. Here's to your healthy meal. Bon appétit!